my channel. My name is CorieTips Johnson. Today, this is the look we're doing. We're doing like some neutral colors, and then we're also using some cool colors like green. And then I finished it with this glitter turquoise. It's just beautiful. I really love the outcome of this makeup. I hope that this is something you'll be able to create as well. Well, even though we're doing social distancing, it doesn't mean you can't glam up. Thank you so much. Please stick with me. And then I'm going to brush. Next, I'll be using my LA Girl concealer to define my brows, and also will be using my Super Stay foundation by Maybelline. I like to use my foundation on the outer part first, and then go into the highlight area, which is my brow bone, with my concealer in brighter shade. So you just want to blend it out. So I'm going to be applying Pond's oil control on my face. And I'm using this LA Girl concealer to prep my eyelids using my fingers. Also, I'm using this NYX Dribble pencil in white to brighten my eyelids. This is so that the color that I apply can't pop. So all the eyeshadows I'm going to be using is from my Zulu palette, like previously. So first I'm using this yellow color. Yellow is really showing through the white that I applied earlier. Next, I'm going to pick this brown color. I'm going to use it to contour. Then I'm bringing it in. And then I'm using this color. It's looks like a rose gold. One thing I like about this eyeshadow is that it's super pigmented. This is the color I just used, guys. The camera went off and so I have something. So all I did was just to apply a huge sum on my crease, like almost halfway through. on the other side as well. And then I went back to my brown, soften this upper area. And then we'll be moving to the rest of the makeup. So I'm using my Sacha Butter Cosmetics to my brow bone. This is the contour color I usually use. Next, I'll be lining my eyes with my Marbrook pencil in black. And then I'll be using my eyeliner by LA Color in black. And I'm going to be using this green color. So I'm going to be using this turquoise glitters, and my benign glitter glue is in it. I feel the need to add more yellow to my transition. Then I'm going to contour with my CoverGirl bronzer. Then my lining powder in warm 109. Next is my highlighter by e.l.f. Cosmetics. Then next is my blush by Classic Makeup. So this time I'm fixing my lashes with my fingers. And I'm going to be using this pencil, Vivid by Zara. And then I'm going to my Zara lipstick in Blondie. I think this lipstick is super gorgeous. It just makes everything awesome. So I'm going to be adding a bit of some lip gloss.